This video, we're going to learn how to set up a React app using Vite. Please be aware that as of the date recording, Vite requires Node.js version 14.18 up and 16 up, and some templates require higher versions to work. So please update your Node.js version if your package manager warns you about it. In this video, we're going to use npm to create our React app with Vite. If you'd like to use Yarn or any of the other options, please check the description in the video for a link to Vite's official documentation on how to create with those methods. All right. Now open a terminal window. I'm going to just create the React app on my desktop. So I'm going to cd into my desktop. All right. And now I'm going to run npm create Vite at latest to get the latest version of Vite. All right. Let's hit it. All right. Now it's running. It's going to create the app for us. You can name it whatever you like. I'm just going to call it my Vite app. Click enter. Now we can select a framework. I'm going to use React. Now, me personally, I like TypeScript, so I'm going to do it with TypeScript. That's just change the type of files that are going to be in the project. So click on TypeScript. All right. Now we have our next steps. All we have to do is go into it and click npm install run dev and then npm run dev. But I'm going to open this folder in Visual Studio's code so that we can run it right after on our local host. All right. I'm going to open it. All right. Now to make that node module, the node modules have to do npm install. We're going to install those node modules. Npm install. It's going to take a little, and then we can just click npm run, and there you have a React app up and running. And run dev. All right, it's running on that port. You can click H to show all the different things you can do. So I'm just going to click O to open in browser. And there we have it, our own React app. And then you can edit the files however you want. And that's it. You have a React app, either with TypeScript or JavaScript, whichever one you want. And it only takes about a minute or two to get it all set up. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time.